Hello, this is Brian Stocker. I'm doing my podcast for week 12 of Marriage and Family concerning divorce. The purpose of this is basically to explain the different types of custody awarded in divorce cases. There's basically 4 different types. There's the legal custody, which basically determines who has the legal rights of the child and the responsibilities, and you make the important decisions such as the education and medical decisions. And you also provide safety and have the final say. There is physical custody, which refers to where the child lives. There's joint legal custody, which both parents have the rights and responsibilities, and they share those in making the important decisions. And there's also sole joint custody, in which one spouse can make the decisions without consulting the other. There is joint physical custody, in which the child spends time with both parents, and this is usually the case. Usually this happens when both parents are up for it and they voluntarily agree to it. It's most common. Historically in the U.S., in the mid-19th century, it was mainly the men who were awarded custody of the child. Beginning in the 20th century, it was the women, and it's still today mostly women. The family laws of the 20th century were based on the presumption that custody awarded to the mother, which was the best interest of the child, and that's usually about 85% in the past. Now most states have adopted the rule that the court makes a decision based on the best interest of the child, which shows no favoritism towards either parent. And it also benefits the child best. A few of the state laws, as Iowa, if either party requests joint custody, there is presumption of joint custody. If the court does not grant that custody, they must show why. In California, there is no presumption in favor of joint or sole custody. It is awarded with the best interest of the child. If the parties agree to joint custody, it is presumed to be in the best interest of that child. In the state of New York, joint or sole custody is awarded in the best interest of the child, and neither party is entitled to preference. There is a difference depending on the state and where you live and the presumptions with the child, but as always in the best interest of the child.